We have got the tickets for Denvira. We scan it and then we go into the waterfalls. Let's see what they have got for us. Restaurant Mogara Tabaran. Tabaran? What is Tabaran? Waterfall straight. So we need to keep going straight. The waterfall water has come up to here, which is a bit worrying for my shoes. Okay, so they have sent us straight. Now straight is left and right. Where is waterfall? I will assume this way. It's just my assumption, guys, we have to deal with. But everybody is coming on this direction. My goodness. It is on that side, looks like. It is over here. Ah, she's making chapatis or flatbread, whatever you want to call it, but big ones. Here we are at the waterfall. We don't see it yet. Me neither, but soon. I think we need to come from the front. But I can see water is going down. Let's see from the top first. There you go. There it is. Wow, wow, wow. We'll see the waterfall, guys. An amazing waterfall. Over there. Let's carry on and see if we can get a better view. A different view, not a better, but a different view. Exactly from the front. How cool is that? My goodness. Look at here. Wow. I've not seen waterfall in a long time, so it's incredible to see one. Oh, there is a small one over there as well. Wow. Look at from here, guys. Here you get the complete front view of the waterfalls, and there is another one over there. Let's carry on our walk. Let's see what else we find in here. No way, where is it taking us, guys? Are you excited? Because I am a little bit now. I have no idea where is it taking me. Hopefully not into the waterfall. There is this kind of a cave. Look at the mountain now, and the cave is here. Small cave, let's say. Very nice, very nice. There are some sounds coming from here. I'm not sure what are they, but I would assume they are related to bats. So they have put a warning sign as well. So no way I'm going to take a risk if they have mentioned it. So let's carry on this way and see what do we see. Wow, it's so cold, cool. I wouldn't say cold, cool here. It's so cool here. Wow. Look at here, guys. These are original ones, red and yellow. The parrots. Look at the waterfall, guys. Look at the waterfall, guys. Everybody is here, so everybody knew that they have to come here. Whoa. There is this mist. Isn't it incredible, guys? Very nice. Let's carry on. It's a photo shoot place as well at the same time. Looks like a lot of Turkish school students have come over. As well, so let's ignore them. People are coming from here. I think I took an easy way. They are coming through the caves, so probably we can go this way, upstairs. Let's see. Let's see from here. Okie doke. Now time to go back upstairs. Actually, I should have come down this way, but nevertheless, we will do the things the wrong way as usual. So I will now take you through these caves, wet caves where water is dropping. To be mindful with my head before I get it hit with something. There you're gonna get a peak view. Turn around. Okay, they have put the studs basically so people don't slip, which is very nice of them. There is another sneaky view of waterfall through the branches. Very nice. And then we go back. And there is another one, guys. Wow! So they have designed the whole journey. Wow! They have this mountain created. How have they created it, man? Have they created it or is it natural? How do we know? It's like from here. Now again we have a choice. We can go upstairs or we can continue to walk. Let's continue to walk. Looks like this tunnel thing continues. But you get the view from here as well. Sure where it's gonna take. People continue to come from that direction. Look at here, guys. Oh my goodness. Does it take behind the waterfall? That would be incredible if we are almost behind the waterfall, to be honest. Oh my god, there is a lot of water dropping here. If I go, I will be wet. But yeah, they have made this whole experience. Do you want me to go? We will go quickly and come back, yeah? Let's go. It's alright to get wet for this thing. Wow, 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 wow. We are, for God's sake, behind the waterfall, guys. This is waterfall here. Every second I'm getting wet because water is dropping. Alright guys, I think I am already quite wet. Hopefully water has not gone into my shoes. It's a very wet place. Let's go out. I guess it's a quite nice experience to go through all these tunnels and go behind the waterfall. It's incredible. Very nice. Now I think we can use this staircase to go up back on the normal land out of this world of tunnels. I should have probably come from this side, but I'm not sure if I saw it earlier. It's not quite visible to me. Here we are. I guess we... Where did we missed it? I think we missed this sign probably, but I don't know what's the meaning of cavern. So cave, probably cave. So we took the photos and we went straight onto the site. Never mind. It was an incredible experience in reverse. I would say. Yeah, now let me find a place to eat and you can join me as well. But this is from where water goes and falls down. I'll show you how they make it. It's quite an Indian style, but the size is a bit large, it's squarish. We have round ones and there we call it chakra and very nice.
Gözleme kesmem lazım da söylesen yardımcı
Quite
olayım.
thin as well.
Hepsini mi sadece seninki mi?
Mix it.
Hepsini. Kısa gelsin ama gözleme açsınlar şu gözleme bilsin. Adama 5 lira yaptım abi. Sadece karışık kıyma hariç.
Yukarı altıya gidecek şey.
There it comes over. So that
Kaşarla ıspanak kaşar.
heat it up. Looks like I have ordered a lot for myself. Not sure if I will be able to finish it all. Let's spend some time here now, I guess, and trying to get it finished. Well, I am halfway through, and to help myself, I've got chai as well. So I think as I enjoy the chai, I will be able to manage to finish this half of the pide. This is called pide. Well, I have managed to finish most of it except 2 slices of pide. Yeah, I'm kind of full, so I guess I will let it go for the flies. Let them enjoy the cheese, the bread, tomato. What else is there? Mushroom is there, and one is, what do you call it? I don't know. Yeah, so let them enjoy it, and I shall get up and pay for it, I guess. Oh wow, the workforce has increased by 1, and I am done with my eating. So it was quite a nice food, I must say. Now we should, I think, look for our way out. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that was all about Duden Waterfalls. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.